First stop takes us to the stunning Glass Beach in Fort Bragg, California. What makes this place so extraordinary is its shimmering, multicolored shoreline. Over the years, the relentless pounding of the waves has transformed discarded glass bottles into smooth, polished gems. Walking along the beach feels like strolling on a treasure trove of sea glass. The vibrant hues of blues, greens, and even rare reds create a kaleidoscope of colors that will mesmerize any visitor. Each piece of sea glass tells a story, representing the history and transformation of man-made objects into beautiful natural treasures. One of the advantages of visiting Glass Beach is that it's completely free to explore. So it's an ideal destination for budget travelers or those looking for a unique and eco-friendly experience. The beach is conveniently located near Fort Bragg, allowing visitors to easily access this hidden gem and spend a day immersed in the beauty of nature. Next on our journey, we venture to the breathtaking Ivory Hills in Zhangjiajie, China. Located in the heart of the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, these towering limestone formations resemble colossal elephant tusks rising majestically from the ground. The Ivory Hills boast an otherworldly landscape that feels straight out of a fantasy movie. Picture misty mornings and dramatic sunsets casting ethereal shadows over the towering peaks. The lush vegetation and hanging clouds create an atmosphere of mystique and wonder. Traveling to the Ivory Hills is an advantageous experience for nature lovers and adventure seekers. You can explore the trails that wind through the hills, discovering hidden caves, unique rock formations, and awe-inspiring viewpoints that offer panoramic vistas of the surrounding wilderness. The Avatar Hallelujah Mountain, inspired by this very place, allows you to step into the realm of imagination and witness nature's artistic grandeur. Additionally, the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park provides various amenities and facilities to enhance the visitor's experience, including well-maintained walking paths, cable cars for aerial views, and knowledgeable guides who can share interesting facts about the area's flora and fauna.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness.
Our next destination takes us to the breathtaking Mariposa Monarch in the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve, Mexico. Prepare to witness one of the most incredible natural phenomena on Earth. Every year, millions of monarch butterflies migrate to the forests of Mariposa, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Picture yourself standing amidst fluttering wings as these vibrant orange and black beauties paint the skies and trees. The sheer number of butterflies that gather here is truly a sight to behold. It's like stepping into a living fairy tale, where nature puts on a magical show. The advantage of visiting Mariposa Monarch is not only witnessing this incredible phenomenon, but also supporting conservation efforts. The park authorities and local communities work tirelessly to protect the butterflies and their habitat, ensuring future generations can experience this natural wonder. By visiting, you contribute to the sustainability and preservation of this magical place, allowing the monarch butterflies to continue their extraordinary journey.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness.